everyone. Welcome to today's class. Pressure gauge installation, threaded connection. We previously learned about threads. Today we will learn how to installing pressure gauge using threaded connections. First, let's learn about the main tools used for threaded connections. The main tool used for threaded connections is the pipe wrench. The pipe wrench uses two tooth jaws to grip and turn pipes or other cylindrical surfaces. It is used for threaded connections. When using a pipe wrench, choose the appropriate size. The jaw opening should match the diameter of the workpiece. Tighten the jaws on the workpiece before applying force. To prevent slipping, keep the teeth and adjusting ring of the pipe wrench clean. The main sealing material for threaded connections is PTFE tape. PTFE tape is a white, opaque, film-like polytetrafluoroethylene product which is corrosion resistant. It is mainly used at pipe fitting connections to prevent leaks at the connections and to enhance the sealing of pipe connections. PTFE tape is easier to use and it is widely used. Before installing the pressure gauge, let's first learn about the precautions during installation. First, determine the direction based on the threads and determine the direction for wrapping the PTFE tape. Second, based on the actual situation, determine the number of layers for wrapping the PTFE tape. Third, if issues are found during the wrapping process, including incorrect direction, loose wrapping, misalignment, etc., stop the operation immediately and clean the residual PTFE tape from the threads and repeat the operation. Fourth, generally, do not unscrew a properly connected threaded part. Otherwise, it may cause leaks. If unscrewed, clean the residual PTFE tape from the threads and rewrap the PTFE tape and reinstall. When installing the pressure gauge, do not press on the pressure gauge face to prevent damage or accuracy issues with a pressure gauge. Next, let's learn the general operation method for pressure gauge installation. First, wear personal protective equipment, including work clothes, work shoes, safety helmets, and protective gloves. Second, prepare tools. Choose the appropriate tools based on the actual situation. Here, you can use an adjustable wrench or a fixed wrench with corresponding sizes. PTFE tape and the pressure gauge to be installed has been calibrated. Third, clean the threads. Remove any debris from the threads of the pressure gauge. Also, clean any debris from the threads of the pipe to be connected. Fourth, wrap the PTFE tape. When wrapping the PTFE tape, wrap it in opposite direction of the external thread rotation, usually clockwise, and wrap an appropriate number of turns. Too few turns will affect the sealing. Too many turns will affect the tightening. The threads may not hold securely. Generally, wrap around 5 turns. Fifth, install the pressure gauge. Install the pressure gauge perpendicular to the ground. First, hand tighten the pressure gauge. When it can no longer be tightened by hand, use the wrench to tighten it. Pay attention to direction of the wrench. Sixth, installation, inspection. The PTFE tape should be flat and well fitted. The pressure gauge face should face the operator for clear visibility. If misaligned, remove the pressure gauge and repeat steps 3 to 5. Adjust the angle by increasing the number of PTFE tape. Wraps. 7. Organize tools. Clean the site, collect and organize tools. Clean the site and place tools in designated locations. The above is a general operation method for pressure gauge installation. Safety and environmental protection must also be considered during installation. Personal protective equipment should be checked before wearing, such as safety helmets, protective gear, etc. Running and horseplay are strictly prohibited during installation. Throwing parts or tools is strictly prohibited. Do not wrap too many layers of PTFE tape to avoid material waste. Scattered PTFE tape and other debris on the ground should be promptly picked up. Always ensure success management during the operation. Through today's lesson, we have learned about the tools for threaded connections, sealing materials, precautions for pressure gauge installation, general operation methods and safety, and environmental protection during installation. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.